Everyone who is in a building must feel safe. For this, the availability of fire and escape safety equipment is essential. Annual maintenance and periodic checks are used to keep this equipment in the best condition at all times. But in practice, it appears that the equipment fails 15% of the time. With Safety Connect, you can monitor all your safety equipment 24/7, real-time. Sensors measure its status. They send the data to a smart network of nodes, small receivers and transmitters in the emergency lighting. This data is displayed on a clearly organized dashboard. This means you always have a real-time status of all your safety equipment. If there is an abnormality, you will receive a notification. If there is a seriously unsafe situation, an alert will be issued. This means you can act proactively, guaranteeing full fire safety protection at all times, effectively and efficiently. Safety Connect by Saval. Continuous monitoring of fire safety.